How to redeem your Xbox code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnath and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Xbox gift code. Now the process itself is quite simple. What you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device, any browser that you want, and on the search bar what you want to do is you want to type in redeem.microsoft.com. So you want to type in redeem.microsoft.com, as you can see here on the screen, and you'll be headed to this page. You'll have to sign into your account, your Xbox account, that is your Microsoft account basically. Now once you're signed in, as you can see, I have entered in my email and password, my Microsoft account or the Xbox account. Once you're logged in, you'll be headed to this particular page here. Let it load up, and here you can see it says redeem your code or gift card with the Microsoft product key or gift card. You can access wide selection of the latest apps, games, premium devices and more. To redeem your Microsoft or Xbox gift card, please enter your 25 character code in the space below. So enter in your 25 character code and tap on next, and it'll take you through certain prompts. You'll have to go through it and you will be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem your Xbox code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.